Guardian, what should I eat? Leave this problem to me. According to your condition, fruit and vegetables are recommended. Lots of fruit and vegetables help you keep oral health. Vegetable soup. Tomato. Carrot. Broccoli. Tomato is very healthy food. Take the tomatoes out. Slide to cut the ingredients. Eating more carrots can make your eyes brighter. Slide to cut the ingredients. Broccoli is rich in vitamins. It's good for our health. Drag the tap to rinse the broccoli. Let's see. What should we add to the pot? More fresh vegetables will freshen your breath. Fruit and oatmeal smoothie. Watermelon. Grape. Pear. Watermelon is sweet and juicy. It's your good friend in summer. Grapes are rich in vitamins as well. Pear is refreshing and tasty. Slide to cut the ingredients. Oatmeal is nutrient-dense food. Let's see what needs to be added to the oatmeal. A yummy mixture of fruit, oatmeal, and yogurt keeps you healthy. Nutritious dish is ready. Let's serve them to your friends. So delicious! Guardian, what should I eat? Let me check it out. According to your condition, these two kinds of food are recommended. Fruit and vegetables enable you to poop easily. Fruit